Information about Jaw Pinus sylvestris. Pinus sylvestris, commonly known as Scots pine or jaw pine, is a species of coniferous tree in the pine family Pinaceae. It is native to Eurasia, and has a wide distribution across Europe and Asia, from the Arctic Circle in the north to the Mediterranean in the south. Scots pine is a medium to large-sized tree, growing up to 35 meters tall, with a straight trunk and a conical or irregular crown. It has needle-like leaves that are blue-green in color, and it produces cones that are typically 4 to 7 centimeters long. The wood of Scots pine is highly valued for its strength, durability, and versatility, and it is widely used in construction, furniture making, and paper production. The tree is also of ecological importance, providing habitat for a wide range of wildlife, including birds, mammals, and insects. In addition to its economic and ecological value, Scots pine has cultural and historical significance as a symbol of resilience, endurance, and survival. It is the national tree of Scotland, and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and folklore.